So let's get the trans back in the car. Look at those. Welcome back, Season 10 and Beyond the Build. We got another day on the build. Yesterday you saw we got the engine in the car, so that's a good start. Today we're gonna start buttoning stuff up around it, make sure everything's connected, all the harnesses are routed properly. If we have some time, we'll probably start on the suspension, some of those KW coilovers, and maybe get the trans in today. So be a full day, and then might as well get to it. All right, so we're about to put the spark plugs in. There's actually 16 of them on this car, 2 per cylinder. So we have all those. We're gonna gap them to 028, and then we're gonna torque them down to 18 foot-pounds. So we'll get those in the car, get those done, get to it.
Look at that. Very nice.
Looking pretty sweet.
Super.
This is next level right here. So typically, try to pull this stuff out. You try not to break these. It's kind of next to impossible not to break some. But then to get it back from 360 wraps, you see it not all folded over on all the sides, everything's stretched perfect, heated, good to go, but also all brand new clips. Nice little protector deals right here so I can push up against it and then lock in. That's quality.
Only the best in the business.
Yeah, well that's the difference right there. That separates the cheapies from the premium brands. To the boys. Oh, that is the other piece of material I guess we get. He was supposed to send you down with some because we were gonna see what the stickers look like, so I guess we'll use that on the back window. Little gift from Rocky since he didn't show up. You know, that drive we always take 30, 40 minutes away to go to 360 wraps. But he will be here in a couple days when Brenton from Forza Tuning lands and we land that front bumper. But man, we gotta get to work with this.
All right, it's another day of the build. Yesterday was kind of light. We got all the trim panels back from 360 wraps, so those all got installed. The new side skirts got put on. All that's good to go. We had to track down some parts and stuff yesterday, so a little bit of time on the phone. Today, first things first, let's get the trans back in the car, and then we're gonna probably shift over to the KW coilovers, getting those assembled and ready to go in and working on the cancellation kit. And if we have time, we might set the blower on today. But enough for now, back to work. It's that time. KWs are here. We're gonna open them up, get them set up, so they'll be ready to go in the car. Book in here. Gotta have your toolkit. Look at those. Nice. So pretty. There they are. All right, so we got our KW V4 coilovers here. First of all, KW has been doing this forever, building some of the best suspension. All their stuff gets tested at the Nürburgring, also in their dynamic control center. But they've also tested all of these products on everything from Porsche, Lamborghini, Ferrari, exotics to muscle cars. For every set of coilovers that they design is actually custom made to the platform. So these were specifically designed for the Charger Hellcat. So the really nice thing about the KW V4s is they're three-way adjustable. You have adjustable rebound and then high and low speed compression, which will give you a very well-rounded driving experience, and you can custom tailor it to anything, but it'll give you the best of both worlds for ultra track performance to everyday driving. So the nice thing about the V4 coilovers is, first of all, you have customized suspension lowering, which you can adjust all the time. Shouldn't get bound up with dirt because of the trapezoidal thread on this, so it'll be always easy to adjust. The use of the KW reservoirs provide additional volume for additional oil and additional cooling capacity for particular high-stress systems. KW's in-house 7-post drive dynamics test facility optimally tunes the KW coilover suspensions according to the design and the target vehicle. So all of that technology and testing makes these KW V4 coilovers the best solution to put on our Hellcat. All right, so we'll start from left to right here. We have our rear spring purchase. We have our rear springs. Then we have our front coilovers with the reservoirs and uniball top hats. Then we have the rears here. And then we're gonna move over here, and every KW kit comes with a nice toolkit. So you get all your directions and adjustment tools. And then also for this car, because it has active dampening from the factory, we have their cancellation kit. So we're gonna splice this into the harness, and these will make all of your drive features not set like a check engine light or any weird fault for removing the stock damper. All right, so we got our stock strut right here. You can see it's a lot bigger, a lot more bulky. It has the electronic dampening control right here, where it's gonna be replaced with the actual remote reservoir for the KWs. You have your uniball top hat, it's giving you more camber and caster. And then over here, you're gonna have your high and low speed compression, and then your dampening is at the top. And let's get them installed. All right, so that's a wrap for today. The trans is in the car, that's all good to go. We started the coilovers, we got them all set in and installed on the front with the cancellation kit. Brenton will be here Sunday night, it's ready to go for first thing Monday morning. We'll be setting the Whipple on this and should be starting up pretty soon after that.
How do you feel about that?
How do I feel about what?
Here. So it should be starting up soon. So, given when we got this car, how do you feel that it's finally gonna start?
I feel pretty good. It's a puzzle, so as long as all the pieces are accounted for and there's no empty spots in your puzzle, we'll be good.
All right, fair enough. You heard it here first.
See you Monday.
See you Monday.